Hello and welcome back to Fintech on the Block, and today we are going to be looking at financial literacy. Financial literacy is essentially about understanding and managing your money effectively. It involves acquiring the knowledge and skills to make informed decisions about your finances. Here are some key aspects you can expect to find. Firstly, budgeting. Start with creating a budget. This means tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. Budgeting helps you allocate your resources wisely and avoid unnecessary debt. Second, saving. Learn the importance of saving money. Set aside a portion of your income for emergencies and future goals. This could be for a vacation, education, or even retirement. Savings act as a safety net during unexpected expenses. Next is understanding debt. Know the difference between good and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage for a home or a student loan, can be an investment in your future. Bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, can lead to financial troubles. Fifth is credit scores. Familiarize yourself with the concept of credit scores. Your credit score influences your ability to borrow money and the interest rates you'll be offered. Paying bills on time and managing credit responsibly can positively impact your credit score. Next is investing basics. Learn about the basics of investing. Understand the power of compounding and the different investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Investing can help your money grow over time. Seventh is financial goals. Set realistic financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, paying off student loans, or saving for a dream vacation, having clear goals provides direction for your financial decisions. Insurance is another important aspect. Whether it's health, life, or property insurance, having the right coverage protects you from unexpected financial setbacks. Next up is evaluating financial products. Be cautious and informed when considering financial products. Understand the terms and conditions of bank accounts, loans, and credit cards. Compare options to ensure you're getting the best deal. Lastly is continued learning. Financial literacy is an ongoing process. Stay informed about changes in the financial landscape, economic trends, and new opportunities. Take advantage of resources, courses, and workshops to enhance your financial knowledge. Remember, financial literacy is a journey and everyone starts somewhere. By gradually building your understanding of these basic principles, you can gain control over your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals.